Do you snore, feel tired, or sleep during the day? If so, you may have obstructive sleep apnea, OSA. Choking or gasping for air, loud snoring, restless sleep, daytime sleepiness, poor concentration at work, and early morning headaches are the signs of OSA. Untreated OSA may cause long-term serious problems like cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, and stroke. For more information, please visit Hyatt Regency New Delhi on the 16th of March 2019 from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Organized by Dr. Manveer Bhatia.